Finally, after years of waiting, and after 80,000 copies sold worldwide and hundreds of fast-acting millionaires made across the globe, you got a second chance to profit from Forex market loopholes that the first FapTurbo Forex robot exploited recklessly without abandon, literally butchering the markets and filling its users' wallets with thousands of dollars. However, over the years, these holes have been fixed and the market conditions have changed drastically. The 100% profits a month slowly dwindled to more conservative gains. FapTurbo still makes nice profits up to this day, but the extreme percentages are gone. Nonetheless, those of you that acted quickly made a fortune. In fact, the original FapTurbo made over 245 confirmed millionaires. That's right, 245 people came into the seven-figure earning range, and those are just the people we know about. The black number might be much higher. We're not counting the thousands of people that became six-figure earners, as that number is 10 times higher. And what do all these Forex millionaires and big players have in common? I'll give you the answer. Almost all of them jumped aboard FapTurbo right when it came out, and the fast-acting people will reap all the rewards. FapTurbo 2.0 is radically different to its predecessor. In fact, it has a multi-leg system that taps into weaknesses of different markets, and not only currencies this time, but also cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, profiting greatly from them. Bitcoin is a big emerging market that's under extreme swings of up to 50% of its value. Combine that with the power of leverage and the wisdom of 15 developers that have worked under us for years developing the ultimate Forex robot, and you have a formula for extreme profits. FapTurbo 2.0 is a multi-profit robot now exploiting unknown weaknesses of different trade hours, emerging markets, and yet to become popular trade situations. Our original FapTurbo robot's success gave us the resources needed to develop the ultimate trading robot, something unseen or unheard of. Like a multi-legged octopus tapping into different markets, FapTurbo 2.0 is not dependent upon single currency pairs. Losses get absorbed easily by wins from all the other trading situations within the blink of an eye. For the first time ever in trading history, we developed a risk versus reward system that sees how the market behaves and bases its trading decision not only on what is happening in that current market, but taking into account the other markets as well, basing its trade decision on a multitude of different factors. Organic market sentiments. For a detailed description of the trade features, scroll below this video, but keep the video running because there's more. Also, thanks to extremely good relations with some of the top brokerages on the planet that all remember how well FapTurbo did for its clients, wanted to partner up, and stumbled head over heels to give traders the absolute best conditions to prosper. That's right, FapTurbo 2.0 traders start off not only with 25% more capital or instant profit, they also get a 1,000%, yes, 1,000, no typo, increase on their deposit twice to help them reach the seven-figure zone faster than anywhere else. The dual license system gives every trader 2 FapTurbo 2.0 licenses to start off with, making this an insane package to reach financial freedom. To top it off, we've made it as easy as possible for even the most inexperienced client to start making money with Forex and cryptocurrencies. Everything will be set up for you, and you can start profiting from FapTurbo 2 within minutes. 7 different markets are currently being scanned and scalped and profited from simultaneously, making this the highest earnings trade robot that has ever been developed. Your robot comes fully pre-installed on the supported broker's MT4. No need to waste time with copy and paste files and manual installations. Just start an MT4 platform and the robot is already inside, ready to work for you, hassle-free. Brokerage support has been trained exclusively for FapTurbo 2.0, so in case you have a question that you won't likely have, but we'd like to be secured on all fronts, help will be just around the corner through email, direct chat, or telephone. There's so much more to it. To see past profits, features, and backtests, scroll down this website and absorb all the details and learn why FapTurbo 2.0 is the absolute best moneymaker of this generation. And remember, the early bird catches the worm. Always has and always will. So those of you that start trading now are bound to make a fortune because history always repeats itself. The definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Break the vicious cycle and start making money now. Sincerely, Steve C. and Mike S., the original FapTurbo creators.
It really works, and it's making me a crazy amount of money. I still can't believe it's possible.
Its step-by-step process literally took me 12 minutes to set up. I left to go make dinner. When I came back 2 hours later, it had already made a profitable trade and added $140 to my account.
Making me money 100% on AutoPilot? I've already tripled my demo account in 3 weeks. I'm ready to switch to the real account.
426 pips in the last week.
I got involved with FapTurbo, and all I've done is made money.
They should rename it the Unstoppable. 12 winning trades in a row?
My $1,000 deposit was doubled in a matter of days, and that was real money, not some demo or backtest simulation.
Basically, the bottom line is FapTurbo makes money.
I've made money when the machine is on and when the machine is off.
You combine all the words, stocks, bonds, futures, etc. You still don't even come close to the size of the Forex.
I want you to imagine being able to double your money every month without lifting a finger. You could start with $500. Next month you'd have $1,000, then $2,000. After only 12 months, that $500 could turn into over $1 million. And it's no joke. I'm going to show you proof in just a minute. But what would you do with that kind of money? Maybe buy a new house with cash. Buy a new car or a few. It's not a dream. What I'm talking about is the hottest way to make money online ever. The Forex market. Trading on the Forex market is by far one of the most lucrative investment opportunities available. It's got huge profit potential, but it comes with its own set of challenges. To be a successful trader, you have to know complex chart reading, stay up on current news and events, and stay awake at odd hours of the night. At least, that's what you used to have to do. I'm about to show you a revolutionary new product that literally eliminates every single reason for not trading Forex. You don't have to know anything about pips or pairs or anything. It does it all for you on 100% autopilot, completely hands-free. After 2 years of testing and development in some of the most unstable market conditions conceivable, a complete turnkey Forex trading robot is about to be released. This system has been back-tested all the way to 1999 and has doubled the account every month. But that's only part of the story. We use this robot to trade on live accounts as well, with real money on the line. What you're about to see is not a simulation. It's not a backtest. It's real money in a live Forex account. This is a time-lapse video that shows an account starting at $10,000 and in just 90 days has a balance of over $30,000 with absolutely no interaction. And this robot performs no matter what the conditions are. Even bank crashes and an unstable economy can't stop this Forex robot.
Recently I had found the FapTurbo system, and it started utilizing its computer-generated software. I put it on autopilot, and the amount of return I've been getting on my investments has been phenomenal.
I would advise everybody to get involved with FapTurbo, because if you want to make money, you make money.
The opportunities in the Forex are endless. You combine all the words, stocks, bonds, futures, etc. You still don't even come close to the size of the Forex. If you want a piece of the pie, you need the right tools. That's why I recommend FapTurbo.
I don't have to deal with the charts or the graphs. FapTurbo takes care of all of that. It can easily outperform any trader. Basically, the bottom line is FapTurbo makes money.
With this robot, you now have the opportunity to take advantage of the highly lucrative Forex market and start living the life you've always dreamed of without having to learn complicated algorithms and chart reading. You can get started trading immediately. It's simple and easy to use. Plus, we'll even show you a secret method that enables you to trade around the clock even when your computer isn't on. That's right, your robot will trade for you, taking massive trades 24 hours a day. You finally have the opportunity to live the life you've always dreamed of. Financial independence can be yours for a very small investment. A year from now, you could look back at this opportunity with $1 million in the bank. All you have to do is get started. Do it now.